Hello, everyone. Welcome back to episode 3. Today, we're going to talk about weather. I'm going to show you guys where to find all of the answers. So, if you get stuck on a check ride, you know where to go. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so let's get into the weather information. I'm going to try to keep this 10 minutes. We'll see how I go. So, first off, when we look in here, sources of weather. So, what they're looking for is the National Weather Service. We got Flight Service Station, WX Brief, and of course, our own for flight that we can look at for weather information. So, that's really all they're looking for there. Now, before we get into K2, which is a lot, I'm going to swipe over to this next page. So, over here, we have K3, basically all of the IFR en route alternates, know all of that. But under this version, we have atmosphere, wind, temperature, weather. These are all just definitions and things that you just have to know off the top of your head that you should know from private. But if you don't, I'm going to take you guys here. We're going to go over to my Quizlet right here. And if you go to my live instrument weather right there. This has 144 terms in this. This goes over frost, fog, icing, different types of weather patterns, everything, clouds, everything that you need to know that is listed under here, right here, everything you need to know. So I'm not going to cover this, but look through that and you'll be just fine for this section. All right, now let's get back to this. The first thing that they're going to be looking for is obviously being able to talk through METARs and PIREPs. I don't have an example for PIREPs, but please go look at that. So for METAR, again, we're just going to go to our airport. They'll probably pick a random and a more difficult METAR to go over. So because of that, I'm going to show you guys where to find all the decoding so it won't be hard. But for METAR and TAFs, they are going to expect you to be able to just walk through and talk through all of this and be able to understand it. Something you should have done in private, but at this level, they're going to want you to go a little further and beyond. So that is going to be what the METAR and TAFs are going to cover. When we are trying to find some decoding stuff, we can go to the far aim here. It's under 7110, and so under here it tells you everything that is encased in a METAR. And then if we scroll all the way down, there is also a decoding for the METAR as well. But the other place I would highly suggest you guys go to is we're going to go back to ForeFlight. All right. And we are going to go to our special Aviation Weather Handbook. Here I have this bookmark. I'm going to